Well, I found me a little hidden gem to stay at and enjoy. Not only this beautiful, beautiful view, but it's a tree house. Look at this beautiful, beautiful view that I got on where I'm staying at. My goodness, I really needed this. Well, for the last 2 months, I had to take a little break from my full-time traveling and out there living in nature because a really dear friend of mine was diagnosed with lymphoma cancer and he needed some help. So I went out there to his house and I've basically been his caregiver for the last 2 months. And he's asked me to stay another month, and I can only do 1 more month. But right now, he's not home. And so while he's not home, before he does come back home, I decided I needed to go take a break and go have some nature therapy. And this is a much needed break that I needed. And so therefore, I did a lot of research because I wanted to make sure that it was going to be somewhere that I really could just enjoy, take it all in, had a lot of things that I was really going to love and enjoy, not just the views, but I wanted more. And oh boy, did I find that place. So real quick, one of the things I've always wanted to do is stay in a tree house. And well, it is kind of like a tree house. They call it a tree house. I mean, there's a tree going up on the side of it. So it's the closest I've ever stayed in a tree house. So I found a place that was a tree house. Had an amazing, amazing view all the way around. And had animals. Everything I love. Nature, relaxation, peace, and animals. Because I love being around animals. Animals are therapeutic also. At least they are for me. So they have goats, sheep, lambs, doggies, chickens, and that means there's fresh eggs, and 8 horses. And it's all on 20 acres of land. And the animals pretty much, some of the animals just roam around here freely. So I'm pretty excited to share this place with you guys. And it's one of those little hidden gems. And we're going to have to keep it a hidden gem. Because the owners of this place didn't want me to announce it. But they're allowing me to share it with all of you guys. And I'm glad they shared their amazing place with me also. think this goat down here, likes me. Because every time I walk away where he or she, I think it's a she, every time I walk away and she can't see me, she goes, bah. Watch. Hello goat. Hi. Oh, you guys can't see her. Hi there. Okay, we're gonna walk away. Bye-bye. 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 Listen. Do you guys hear her? It's so funny. It's so cute. What is it? What? What is it? Huh? Maybe I should come walk around and go over there to go pet you. Maybe that's what it is. Okay, bye-bye. 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 Stop. Hi. Are you trying to make friends with me? You're probably like, feed me. Feed me. Look at those floppy ears. And there's the treehouse. Right there. We'll get a better look at it later. But that's the view. And then you have to walk up this hill over here. And everything here is off the grid. So another reason why I chose this place is because this is all off-grid. The treehouse is off-grid, bathroom situation, kitchen, it's all off-grid. And I just got some land not too long ago, and next year is when I'm going to start building on my land. But my land that I have is off-grid, and everything on it is going to be off-grid. So meaning, you know, there's no power out there, there's no water, no gas situation, so everything is just going to be off the grid. I mean, I'll have solar and propane and a water tank and stuff like that. So it was another reason why I chose this place, because I wanted to maybe get some ideas from their little off-grid thing they have here. And I got a couple little ideas. You know, one thing that I never really thought of, but my friend Community Cause that lives out in Slab City, he had mentioned this to me one time before. he has his kitchen area, because everything out there is off the grid. His kitchen area is away from his living area, meaning where he sleeps and all that stuff. And now that I'm here, I kind of remember him talking about that. So it's good to have your kitchen area away from your living area because of wildlife and stuff, you know. And so down here is where the treehouse is. Right down there. Down that nice hill that you got to go down and come back up. And it's hot. But I'm not complaining. So the treehouse is down there. This is the outhouse. And it has a shower. And then they have a portable toilet in there with a bag, and then you just tie up the bag, throw it in the trash can. So it's kind of like the same thing what I do with my portable toilet and my bags that I have when I'm out in nature camping with no bathrooms and stuff. And then over here is the kitchen area. And then I guess it's not totally off grid because they do have extension cords running throughout the place. Like there's extension cords running into the treehouse down there. And they just put a air conditioner in there, a AC unit. Thank goodness, because it's hot. Did I mention it's hot? So thank goodness they have the AC unit in there. And then they have one lamp in there. So the extension cords run in there for that. And then over here, there's extension cords that run because there's a fridge. So that's been good. So there's a refrigerator here, there's a sink, there's a grill over here, which I've been using, and a Blackstone grill right here. And then they even have like a little coffee maker right there. I've been using my Jetboil though. I love using my Jetboil. And then a little picnic table. So, cute little area. But I have to say, one of my favorite things up here was this outhouse. Because taking a shower in that outhouse, if you guys can see how it's just open in the back. And so taking a shower and looking at that view right there, it's like you're just taking a shower in nature. So I've really enjoyed the shower. So this is the portable toilet. I just took the bag out, so I gotta put the bag back in. Toilet seat. And then this is the shower. And yes, it has hot water. And the view that you get while you're taking a shower. So even though there is hot water, and I already looked it up, looked underneath here, it looks like this is hooked up to a propane tank underneath. Because it is hot out here right now, I've literally been taking cold showers, so no need to have hot water right now running on my body. But how awesome is that view? I mean, like, it's just absolutely awesome to be taking a shower in this. I'd like to have one of these on my property. I think that would be awesome. So with all the animals that they have here, and then the doggies, one of the first things I always ask people when I stay on their property, especially in areas like this, is what wildlife are around here. I'm not even worried about bears anymore because you guys know me and bears. They stay away from me. I've been trying to see a bear for 3 years that I've been on the road, and this place right here could be infested with bears. But because I'm here, they're gonna stay away. But anyways, so this is bear country and mountain lion country. But they have 4 dogs on property. And the 4 dogs stay outside. So they were having an issue with the mountain lions, you know, coming up and attacking the chickens and the eggs. So basically these dogs are guard dogs, and they're to keep the wildlife away from all the animals, and they got kids up there, so probably kids too. The family lives right up above the hill, so it's pretty secluded away from them. So they said ever since they got the guard dogs, they've never had any issues with bears or mountain lions. Honestly, they could have just hired me for the bears. I would have kept the bears away, because bears stay away from me. One day I'll see a bear in the wild. So then they have 2 campsites down below. That's closer to the lake down there. And I went down there to see the campsites, and they're actually pretty cool. They're just a big open lot of dirt. There's a picnic table. They have grills at the campsites down there. And oh, and then these hammock things. These things are huge. These. Huge. So those are at the campsites down there below too. It was very nice to lay on that and just relax underneath the trees. Hello, pretty girl or boy. I don't know. Pretty, handsome. I don't know. You got some looks on you. What are you doing? Are you trying to get in there? You're gonna get yourself stuck. Hello, little chickens. Caw-caw-caw-caw-caw. I don't know what you guys make, what the sound is. Rooster. Chickens. Make y'all sound. Make it. Let me hear. So yeah, this place was definitely what I needed, for sure. I got the place for only 3 nights. So, 3 nights, 3 days. And the first 2 days, this is my last day here. The first 2 days that I was here, I put all the cameras down, all my filming stuff down, my laptop, phone, everything. And I just relaxed. I walked around the property a little bit. I played around with the animals for a little bit. And then I sat on that balcony a lot and just relaxed and did some meditation and had my therapy. And it was much needed. And then today was my day to film everything, because I had to share this place with you guys. I'm so glad that they let me film it to share with y'all. So it's definitely been a nice stay. I was going to... Oh, I was hoping one of the horses would have been over here, but I don't think. Nope. Right behind the kitchen area is the corral that they built. And then there's the Jeepway over there. That's how far you gotta walk your stuff in. You gotta walk your stuff all the way through here and down the hill. I thought I brought my drone with me, but I didn't. I thought I packed it up in the Jeep, but I didn't. Because this would have been a great place to get some drone footage. So, oh well, no drone footage. And then tonight is a double meteor shower. So I'm hoping to catch some meteors tonight because there is no light pollution out here. Okay, I'm trying to walk down this hill. There is no light pollution out here. They do have solar lights, as you guys see, hanging from the trees. And they're clap-on, clap-off lights. But I've kept the lights off at nighttime out here because if you have the lights on, then that's going to take away from seeing the stars really good in the sky. And the last couple of nights, even though it was pretty dark, you could see the stars pretty good. And then yeah, so basically the treehouse with that view, and then right below the treehouse are the goats and the sheep down there. I swear, I don't know if these goats and sheep ever sleep because they're like constantly just going around eating weeds, eating grass. I haven't seen them sleep not one time yet. Do goats and sheep go to sleep? Are you guys cleaning up the yard? Are we cleaning up the yard? Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look. Continue eating. Let's go over here and see these. No, don't leave. Don't leave. I'm just trying to make friends. Just trying to make friends. Why are you guys being so loud? Bye. It was nice talking to you guys. Come back and visit again. You guys got a lot of weeds to clean up. Start munching away. Adios. Well, the time has come to leave this amazing, amazing place. It's early in the morning getting on the road. But, look, Tasha, no. Everybody came to say bye to me. And then this has been my new buddy right there the whole time that I've been here. Isn't that right, girl? Yeah? One of the hardest parts about leaving a place like this is saying goodbye to the animals. Because I love the animals. And especially doggies. You know, I bond with them. I know, girl. I'll see you again. I'll come back and visit, though. And then you'll remember my scent. And see? We had... Everybody came to say bye. This one right here, he started following me. He or she, I don't know. Started following me around this morning. Out of all the goats, this one started following me around and just kept staring me down like it's doing right now. Do you want to have a staring contest? We're going to have a staring contest. But he won't let me go pet him, so no petting. We'll try. Hi. He's like, I just like staring at you because you're crazy looking. And then Nick, it was so nice that they came and said bye to me. It was so nice. And then, you know, little one made a new friend over there. Are you gonna say bye to your new friend? She's staring at the goat. She's like, what are those things, Mama? Are you okay? All right, little one. Hey, Luna, get down. I guess the dog wants to go with me. Luna, get out of there. Look. Oh my God, the dog wants to go with me. That's so cute. Oh. Look. Come on, girl. No, come on, this way. This way, come on. Come on, Touch, you sit right. Okay, she is not getting out. Luna, come on, down. Luna. Luna, this way, honey. Luna, come on. Come on, girl. Luna. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on, out. Out, come on. Oh my God, this poor dog wants to go with me. I've really bonded with this freaking dog since I've been here. Like when I hiked down to the lake, she came and hiked down with me. Come on, baby. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. You gotta get out. Get out. Come on. No, this way. Come on. No, no. No, no, this way. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. No, 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 no. Oh my God, now she went all the way to the back of the Jeep. Oh, come on, baby. I know, Luna, I'm gonna miss you too. I know, that was a whole process. A whole process, huh? You just wanted to go with me. You can't say bye-bye? You can't say bye-bye? Come on. Come here. She's like, if you're not letting me go with you, then forget you. Oh my God, that was too cute. They do say I have a way with dogs. I literally have bonded with this freaking dog since I've been here, like since day one. She has been up there just hanging out on the porch with me, the balcony, like all day long. And then when I went to go hike all the way down to the lake down there, she did the hike with me. And she'd get ahead of me, and then she'd stop and turn around, make sure I was still behind her. It was so cute. And then as I got her out of the Jeep, and then I got her out from the back of the Jeep, and I had one of these doors open, and so when she got out, when I was closing that back door, she jumps back in the Jeep. So that was a whole process. But look, there's my buddy again staring me down. Staring me down. He's trying to figure me out, I think. I wish you'd let me pet you. You pet? You say hi? It's okay. It's okay. Bye, buddy. Bye. I feel like we bonded too. You just won't let me pet you. But you definitely have been following me around and staring me down. Bye, guys. It was good seeing you. Y'all take care. Eat all the weeds that you guys can, okay? And I will see you guys again one day. All right. Good talk. Good talk.